Hey Nia, I thought I'd show you how to make a Zoom through a video quick. So you will go to Zoom, their website, and then you'll go to host a meeting with video on. It'll ask you to sign in. And then you will have to, I don't know what all those features are, schedule a new meeting. You can name it whatever you want. Then you pick the date and time. So let's say I wanted to host one today at 8 p.m. You can change the date here, the time. I make it for 1 hour. You can go over if you want, but frankly, if you do go over the time, it doesn't make a difference. So I've just been making it 1 hour. Um, I keep all the settings the same. So generate automatically, require meeting password. When you share this with people, this password will pop up. I just to make it easier, I just do York. For video, I do change this to host on and participant on. And for audio, I keep both. I enable join before host. If you want, you can do this, enable join before host. If you notice when you joined my meeting, you had to wait in the waiting room, then I approved you to come in. If you want to keep the same waiting room, you can just keep this enabled. You don't have to though, you can change that. I like though to keep the waiting room on. It's just watch then when it's time to host your meeting, you'll have people's names pop up on your right hand corner and you'll just have to make sure that you admit them in. So you hit save and then you can copy the invitation right over here. So copy the invitation and then copy and paste and send this to your email list that you want people to attend your Zoom meeting. Do not make this though before like 8 hours before the meeting. If you can make it before 8 hours, then Zoom can reset it sometimes. So you can tell people like, hey, I'm not going to be sending this email out until the morning of, so keep an eye out. All right, hope that helps. Thanks.